Today we're checking out the Diablosport PredatorX Tuner for the 2007 to 14 5.7 liter Ram 1500s. If you want a mod that can wake up the truck without turning it into a wrench heavy install, this is a really solid option. It's built to add horsepower, torque, and even fuel efficiency, while also giving you a lot more control over how the truck feels on the street or when you want to lean on it and go a little bit harder. The big feature here is going to be pretty simple. This tuner gives you customizable performance tuning in one handheld package. That means you can tailor the truck more towards everyday driving or a more aggressive setup depending on what you want out of it. And that kind of flexibility is a huge plus compared to being stuck with that factory calibration. Another big feature here is going to be how easy it is to use and also how easy it is to change how the truck responds. The Predator X is going to support iOS and Android apps, and you can tune it right from your smartphone, which makes it feel a lot more modern and convenient than older tuners that are more limited and clunky, and they take up dash space and just never look like they were meant to be in the truck in the first place. On top of that, this is a user-friendly interface, and it makes it easier to get into the tuning side of things, even if you're not somebody who has messed with programmers before. It also is the kind of detail that makes it useful long-term. This can store multiple tune files along with backing up your original tune, so you can easily go back to those factory settings if you ever want to sell the truck or need to for any reason. And it can store your data logs and do all kinds of things, so it is built for more than just a one-time tune. It's gonna make a lot of sense for Ram owners who wanna try a lot of different setups and see what they like best. You wanna keep your stock file just in case, and you have a tuner that can grow with the truck instead of being a one-note tool. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a super compact wireless tuner. This is going to be able to plug right into that OBD2 port, and you can access it from your cell phone in no time. It also has a USB-C port. If you want to upload your tunes through the computer, you can do that too. This is built to handle the temperature swings and the vibration in the car, and it also uses sealed connections to help protect the internal components from moisture and contaminants. This is exactly the kind of durability that you want in an electronic part that's going to live in a truck and get used in real-world conditions instead of just sitting on the shelf. When it comes to the pricing on this, it's coming in right around that $300 price range. That is a very fair price for a tuner like this because you're getting performance tuning, customizable tune options, that smartphone support, and a more full-featured device instead of a bare-bones programmer. It's a good fit for somebody who wants noticeable gains and more control without stepping all the way into custom tuning-only setups. When it comes to the install on this, it's going to get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can get this job done in only 30 minutes of your time. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
So I finally got the Predator X for my 2009 Ram 1500 fitted with the 5.7 Hemming, made by Diablosport. Let's get this thing installed. First things first, you're going to scan the QR code located on the inside of the box when you open it up, right here on this flap. It's going to bring you to Diablo's super intuitive app located in the Apple or Android store. You'll need to download that app and create a username and password, and do not forget to write it down. Next, we're going to come on down to the lower portion of the dash, just beneath the steering wheel, and locate your OBD2 port. Take your Predator X and simply push to connect. Now, as we can see, it's blinking blue, so make sure when you plug it in that yours is blinking blue as well. So we're going to open the app, and as you can see, it's going to say searching for device. It went from a blinking blue light to a steady blue light, and now it says establishing connection. And now we can see that it says turn the ignition on. Now it says acquiring information. So as we can see right now, it's just acquiring the information, so this will take up to several moments. You can see here it's going to say vehicle tunes, vehicle options, and quick start guide. You're going to select vehicle tunes. This next page that pops up gives you all the options, first starting with the Diablosport tow tune, 91 octane tune, Jammer CAI tune, the 87 octane tune, the MPG booster tune, the modify stock engine tune, and lastly, the engine stock tune. I decided to go with the 87 octane tune. So the next thing you're gonna do here is hit the one that you want to choose, which is gonna be the install button right here. You're gonna hit that, it's gonna immediately start installing. It is very important that you are close to Wi-Fi, as it does need a good Wi-Fi connection. It's gonna take about 5 or so minutes, and then it's going to say installed, and that is it. You have now finished your tune.
That wraps up our review and install of the Diablosport PredatorX Tuner for the 2007 to 14 5.7 liter Ram 1500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.